This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, let me quickly demonstrate that my parental controls are indeed active and working. So as you can see, as you can see they are. So from here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button over here. It is also worth mentioning that you have to know the password to the child's Gmail account in order for this method to work. So once at the Google Account Management Center, open Data and Privacy page, then scroll it all the way down and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, we will recover our Google account right after the parental controls will be switched off. So in here, enter the Google account password to proceed or to continue. Then at the following page, check those two boxes at the bottom and tap at the Delete Account option to your bottom right. From here you can get two types of messages, either this one that says something went wrong, or the one that will confirm that the account deletion was successful. Both are fine and, well, does not affect anything at this point. So basically, we have successfully disabled parental controls. Let me quickly demonstrate it to you. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I will open up parental control section, there will obviously be none. So all that is left to do for us is to recover or restore the Google account, which you can very effortlessly do by using it to log into any of the Google apps. So I'll use it to sign into the Play Store. So simply treat this as your regular Google sign-in. Shouldn't be much different. So enter the email address, then you should get this message in order to be sure that you have done everything correctly. Then proceed and enter your account password. And usually 9 out of 10 times you will get the following "something went wrong" message. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials real quick. And usually second time around it lets you through and lets you to proceed with the login. So as you can see now, I can go further, so I can finish the sign-in and prove you that not only have we disabled the parental controls, but also restored the Google account. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.